Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make this bunny charm using cold porcelain clay. So this is actually very easy for beginners, so I hope you guys will enjoy this video and let's get started. So first off, take some white colored clay and roll a piece into a ball. Use your fingers to shape this into an oval. Take some white clay again, make teardrop shapes with 2 tiny balls of white clay. Do the same with the tinier balls of pink clay. Join these together and then cut off the pointed part. Use glue to attach the ears on the head. You can also blend if you want to. Use a dotting tool to create 2 indents. Use some brown clay to cut out 2 little tiny sections. Roll these into balls and then put it into the indents we made before. Attach 2 tiny snakes of clay for the mouth and also attach the tiny little nose. Now you can use pink chalk pastels for the cheeks. And finally take an eye pin, cut it to size and bend to secure so that it will not fall out when the charm is all done. Apply glue to the end of the eye pin and finally insert that in. Now you want to let your charm dry for 24 hours, and after that you want to take the paper clip, insert the eye pin in and then glaze it. Now you want to let the glaze dry and then you'll be done with it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel if you're new to it, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!